Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss the next tool after the type tool, which is area type tool. So area type tool, we can type inside the area of any shape. Like if we create a shape, a circle shape with ellipse tool, then we select area type tool and now click, and you can see, you can write here. The size is too much big, I will select like 20, and how here we can write like Adobe Illustrator, learn Adobe Illustrator CC 2019 with Omer Butt at YouTube. You can learn from scratch to the advanced level. You can see now everything I'm writing inside the shape. So be a professional graphic and web designer with Omer Butt. Thank you very much. So you can see now how I type the text inside the shape. So it can be any shape, even if you select pen tool and if you create a shape with the pen tool, and then if you select area type tool, and now if you write yep, see, so learn Adobe Illustrator CC 2019 with Omer Butt at YouTube. So you can see everything we can write inside the shape. So that is called area type tool. Thank you very much for watching.